Well, as you can see, we have a fair amount of snow on the ground here. It is Sunday afternoon, and Andrew wants to take out the Roxor. I ended up spraying fluid film on the bottom underneath side of it here a couple, 2-3 weeks ago. And this is probably the cleanest form of four-wheeling that you can actually do without getting dirty. Other than it being cold, it should be a little bit of fun here. I don't have a drone that is currently working. I've got a remote control screwed up on one, and the batteries were too cold in the other one. So we're just gonna have to wing this with just the GoPro. So are you ready to roll here? So Andrew's gonna be my chauffeur. We'll just have to see how we do here. Outside of not really having the view from up in the sky, we're gonna have to go ahead and do our best here. Let the clutch out a little bit. There you go. We're gonna have to do our best here with showing you what we are dealing with here. The snow is maybe, I don't know, 8-10 inches deep. Now, what I was gonna do is I was gonna drive the Roxor myself, and then Andrew was going to be the go-to man if I got stuck. But Alex is on deck with a telehandler. We do have a Chinese 3/8 chain, which it's actually 5/16. So we're gonna see if we can't maybe get down in the back field down here. We're gonna run around in a couple of cornfields and just kind of see how the old Roxor does in the deep snow. Got it in four-wheel drive?
Oh, I don't.
You don't? Yeah, let the clutch out. I think I pulled it in neutral.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, push clutch back in. All right, let's go. Give her. You gotta give her. All right, Andrew's got his seatbelt on. I, however, do not have mine on, so that you don't get screwed up. Don't go in this gully. Go that way. Don't go in this gully. The gully's gonna be deep. Just go. Go this way. Just keep going. Uh-oh, we're spinning a little bit here. We have to know where our gullies are and where they aren't. There's a gully right there, and that snow would be deep there, so we're gonna have to get after it. You gotta get after it. Just get at it. Don't worry about shifting. Go. Watch out for these ruts that the tractor made. You're gonna wanna stay away from those. Stay away from those. All right? All right, we gotta give it here. Give her, give her. I probably better put my seatbelt on here.
Yeah, this is not pleasant coming down here.
It's rough.
Well,
Is it
yeah,
rough?
It's rough.
Don't be afraid to hold her wide open. Chopping this field is a little greasy. So we'll get through this field. We got a hay strip there. We don't really want to be running in the hay fields. Not that we're gonna hurt them at all, because we're riding on a fair amount of snow. But if we get stuck, we don't want to have to bring the telehandler down in here and worry about ripping up a hay field. You gotta give it. You gotta give it. Gotta give it. Hold her wide open. All right, we stalled her. This boy's got some learning to do with the old four-wheeling. All right, now you gotta back up. Let's get it in four low. Oh, got my drink, my coffee. Hold on a second, I'm not in gear. There we go. All right, back up. Back up, get her straight. All right. We might need to put a set of lockers in this. All right, put it in second gear. All right, both hands on the wheel and just give it. Give it, give it. Just hold her wide. Steer down towards the hill. We're in a couple of ruts here. So this had manure spread on it back when The ground was soft. You gotta stay turning that way, okay?
Oh no, this didn't get manure spread on it.
No?
I didn't spread right here.
No? Alright. Keep going. We got a little gully here, so we might have some deep snow. Give her. Give her. Alright. Let's get over in that other field. Can we get through there?
I don't know. That's a deep puddle right there.
Yeah?
That's ice.
Alright, we don't want to get in any mud here. We do not want to get this thing dirty. If we can help it. Alright, just turn right around. There's no sense of going through that. Oh, we're a little rough. We're a little rough. Alright, so you know where you've been. Just stay up high, okay? We don't want to drop down low. The snow's going to be deeper down towards the woods. So as you can see, we've got, there's our ruts right there. Don't drive in your old ruts because it's gonna steer you where you don't want to go maybe. So see, this has got zipper windows in it. We can, oh, I undid the door latch. There we go. Come on. There, give her. Come on, we gotta get moving here. Oh, you can smell the fluid film burning off the exhaust. I think it's ready for third gear. Get up onto flat, shift it and go. Gotta give it the throttle. There we go. Oh, it's rough right there. All right, give it, send it. Let's send it. Go right to where the woods starts and then we'll turn around, okay? Give it. You're right to the, got her mashed. Oh, keep opening up the door.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around. Don't get in the hayfield. Oh, it's a little different, huh? What do you think? You having fun? Huh? I don't think we're gonna get stuck. Kind of gonna be a disappointing video unless we force a stuck. We could you want to force a stuck?
Sure, but let me get a head start.
See how deep the snow is right there? It's a good 10 inches deep. Well, it took a little bit to get up out of that backfield, but we've made it. We're getting a shot of fuel right now. To be honest with you, I was a little worried about the fuel that we had in this because it wasn't treated with any kerosene. We're treating the fuel right now with a 30% blend of kerosene, and I'm kind of glad that it needed fuel so that we don't have to worry about it gelling up. It's like 20 degrees out right now, so we wouldn't naturally have any problems anyways. But if we wanted to do this little four-wheeling event in colder temperatures, we might have a problem with the fuel gelling, right, Bub?
You want four-wheel?
What do you say we go for another ride, huh?
Okay. Go down there and go on the trails.
We're not going to be able to go on the trails. They're going to be too iffy.
Just go and do some donuts by the lagoon. There's a ton of ice right there.
Well, folks, we tried to get it stuck. Andrew was having a little bit of trouble getting around in that field down below. You weren't giving it hard enough, huh, Bob? Did you learn any four-wheeling tricks? Yeah. I think Sister is disappointed that she didn't get a phone call having to come down and pull us out. If we had any more snow than what we had, I think we would have been stuck. We had a little bit of a hard time getting up out of that back field, but it's a lot more fun four-wheeling in the snow than it is in the mud. This will melt off overnight and it will be clean. I won't have to wash nothing. The one thing that I am disappointed in, that is we'll have to walk around the other side here. I got too much snow on the left or the right side. The frickin' fluid film all came off that inner fender well on this left side. So that does not make me too happy at all. I don't know what the rest of the fluid film is going to be like underneath it. Now, we did come up the road with it, but the roads were dry, so we won't have any salt on it or anything like that. So that's going to do it. Kind of a video that was kind of jumping around a little bit here, but at least we got it out in the snow. It would have been a lot better if we had the drone up in the air so that you guys could kind of see what we were doing, but for whatever reason, the drones didn't work. So that's going to do it, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at the next video.